Midway inside the Tonga half here. Milford, short ball on the through, super break! Super try, Jaden Toa. He's just sliced Tonga open, and Samoa have the lead. Winding up now with Fanua Blake. Edging closer. Every carry, chalking up the meters. Katoa, how the back it goes to Hopoate. What a ball that is! What a finish that is! Daniel Tupou. Tonga turn up the heat. What a reply! Samoa setting themselves a strong position here. Levi jumping out of acting half, turns it back on the inside for Sua. He's already got one try. Just held out here. Samoa breathing down Tonga's necks. Milford, Luai. Oh, he's ridden the challenge. Jerome Luai. Oh, what a step, what a try. Samoa extend the lead. Luke from acting half, short ball for Murdoch Vasilla. Oh, he'd love to score here, ex-Warrington back rower. One last tackle in the set. Luke from acting half, oh, he's rolled in the kick. Tokiaho! Great kick, great try, Tonga back in the game. To Tokiaho, now Katoa, ball in all tackle.
Offside.
The kick is good, 12 points apiece. Sualihi, oh, he ran at Sonny Luke, and he's away. Here comes Joseph Sualihi. Oh, he's taken down by Katoa, but he's given Samoa such a platform here.
Yeah, they really picked Luke out, haven't they? And it worked out that time, but...
Last tackle. Milford sends up the kick. Crichton came to chase for it. It will fall to Brian Toho, and Brian Toho pops it down. Oh, the grubber kick was posted through. Oh, the foot race is on here. And Kaloha Matangi just didn't have the gas, but right place, right time for Tonga.
Six again.
Set restart, picking up the back of that. Moses Suli has got the gas. What a pass! Katoa! Sione Katoa! They could strike from anywhere, and they just have. And it's Samoa who just came out on top by 2 points.